Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this LED 3D clock with a high brightness, large size LED characters display module to see very clear at 20 meters away the clock. Date, calendar display, temperature display and more features. Let's open to see what we have inside and how it looks, how we can work with that and where we can install it to have the best view of this clock. LED digital clock, specification, alarm clock series, 1-year warranty, manual how to use this digital clock. But stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Oh, yep, it is huge. Wow. I like it. Yeah. The back is metallic. You can mount it at the wall, and of course you can glue it with a double tape adhesive. We've got a CR2023 battery. When the power is failure, you will not going to lose your time. When the power restored, the time will be correct. Now inside we're gonna find out the power adapter. It is 5V 2 amp. And of course the remote control, because you can control it from a distance. Nice. We can see a big characters of this clock. The dimension is about 70 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and the thickness is 2 centimeter. It feels very nice. It looks very nice. Some of the electronics here. Here we can see we've got the temperature sensor, and for the remote control, the receiver. And from the other side, this is a speaker, because you can set up an alarm to wake you up. I like the plastic with a metal around. Well, I can say it is very durable, it's not bending. Alright, well, let's turn it on to see how it looks. Large cable, it's about 3 meters. Whoa, nice. Very bright. I like it, thumbs up. And there's the remote control. You can switch it off, on. The return button. We've got the numbering buttons here. You can control adjusting the time, the alarm, and more things. We've got the Celsius and Fahrenheit button. It will show us the temperature in Celsius. Press it again in Fahrenheit. Celsius, and return with a green. 24 hours button. It will go 12 hours. And 3 beeps, it will go to 24 hours. By pressing the dim, it will switch the automatic brightness, and press it again the dim, it will go to the manual brightness, and you've got the positive and negative, and you can decrease and increase the brightness. And this is the lower. We've got 8 levels of brightness, and you can check it is very low. I will show you at the night how it looks. Nice. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 level, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 level. The T settings, it is for the time. You can set up the time up and down or with the numbers. It is your choice. Mode button, it will go to the minutes or up and down. And mode, it will go to the seconds. And just like that, you can set the time, and with the return button, go back. Next, we've got the C set. It is the calendar settings, default format for a day, month, and year. Up and down, 2021, 15 and 6, up and down, mode again, and we are correct, and return. Next, we've got the CD test. It is the countdown. Press it twice. And you can see here we've got the day, and you need to choose how many days you want to run the countdown. You can choose it, of course, with numberings or up and down buttons. 900 days mode, it goes to the next. 900 days and 96. Okay. Next to the mode, we can go to the time countdown. And again, with up and down buttons, you can choose, let's say, 20 hours mode, 55 minutes, mode, and you can choose and the seconds. Press the start and it will start the countdown. And with the return key you can exit. And by pressing the mute and mute button you can hear 2 beep, that means is on sound. And when it's flashing the sound is off and again on. Next we've got the display key. By pressing you can see the year, the day and the month, the Celsius, and again the hour, switching between all this. And we've got the ST button. By pressing you will have a stopwatch. Press the play pause button and you can start your stopwatch. You can press it again and pause, press it again and resume. And by pressing the return button it will reset. It will go again back to the time. Now for setting up the alarm, just press the alarm set. You can see alarm, the first alarm from the 16 alarms that you can set up, because you've got other parts of your family and you can set up for each one separate alarm. Mode, it will go to on, up and down, you can turn it on or off. This is for the snooze button. Let's leave it on. Mode, we can go to the time. 10 is okay, and let's leave it on 36. Mode, again, first alarm, on, time, hour, minutes, alarm. And now, if you want to synchronize one of these buttons, the A1, A2, A3 or A4, or the A+2, because the A+2 is synchronizing with the other 5 to 16 alarms. For the first 4 alarms, you've got the 4 buttons from A1 to A4. Well, let's press the A1, and there is the alarm for the A1. Now, we will go back, and we are just going to wait. In 1 minute, it will alarm us. And there is the alarm. I think the sound is very loud. Definitely you will hear the sound. By pressing the A1 button, it will stop flashing. You can only hear the sound. And by pressing the return button, you can turn off your alarm. Well, nice all that. It can give you many functions and settings, this 3D digital alarm. And I think it's time to install it to my wall and to see how it looks at the night and at the day. Well, let's do that. Well guys, here we are, and it looks great at my wall. And there's a high brightness. And this is the lower. Let's see how it looks at the night. This is the lowest brightness, increasing, high brightness. Very friendly, and at the night you will sleep very well. It will not hurt your eyes. Nice, I like it, thumbs up. And at the day, nice. Display, you can see the year again, month and day, 25 Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the time again. And you can start your stopwatch and reset by return button. You can set the alarm on snooze, time, in A1 as I saw you before, and back. Countdown. You can set a countdown, the day, and the time, minutes and seconds, and back. Very friendly to use. All the options at the remote control. I don't like a lot the remote control. It feels very cheap. not so well manufactured. I received it, it was broken, it has a crack at one side of the plastic. I have glued it again and now it's okay, but it feels very cheap, the remote control. I hope it will last longer. Well guys, that was all about it. Looks very great. It has many options to use it. And definitely you can install it at your living room, bedroom, kitchen, wherever you want, at your store, outside, at the balcony, inside to your coffee store, wherever you want. There are so many places that you can install this 3D digital clock. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.